Creating tons of email addresses without phone number verification. Is this possible?
Absolutely yes.
It is possible to skip phone number verification while creating a Google account regardless of the higher security of Google. Do you know how? It is very easy. Welcome again to another Making Money Online video. As usual, my methods are tested and approved. Anyone can make money online with my methods. In today's video, I will show a tool which will enable you to create tons of Google emails accounts without phone number verification or any restrictions. Also, I will show you how to use each email address to earn $2.15 with CPA marketing self-clicking. As you know, while creating Gmail or Google account, you will need to verify with phone number, which means that you are limited to create few email account per device. Today, I have a solution for you. I will create emails which are originated from any country like top European country, such as United States, United Kingdom, France, and Canada. And lastly, I will show you a website where you can use each email you created to earn $2.15 per each. But also, once you have tons of emails addressed from different European countries, you have a broad range of using them to make money online apart from CPA marketing self-clicking. By the way, I will also show you the different ways to make money from those emails that we are going to create apart from $2.15 per click. So stick up to the end of the video so as to reveal whole making money online tips and attain your financial freedom. Are you ready to dive in?
Let's go.
Now let me show you the tool that we are going to use for creating unlimited email accounts, and that tool is GoLogin. This is the best and detectable browsers which will make you anonymous for 100%. Even the Google security system will never detect if you register multiple Google accounts. Also, with that, GoLogin will enable you to skip phone number verification automatically. Apart from that, GoLogin is the best and detectable browser for self-clicking. Managing multiple accounts on any platform, such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, eBay, LinkedIn with no bans, registering unlimited Google email accounts and other staff. They provide strong free proxies which will enable you to do all of those things. This is not a free app, but today I have an offer for you. Click the like in the description below and use promo code JEFFA to get a 7 days free trial and free 0.5 GB data plan. With those 7 days, I am sure you will get a capital to pay for a subscription, which is $24 per month, since you will be able to create tons of Gmail accounts. And at the end of this video, we'll show you how to use those emails to make money online. It's quite cheap compared to the advantages of the browser. There are a series of training which I will publish in my channel about different tips to make money online with GoLogin. Tips like YouTube self-views, running TikTok shop regardless of the geographical locations, and drop shopping. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so as to get tons of the wealthful training and attain your financial freedom this year. Okay, so click the link in the description below, then register for a GoLogin account. Then you will need to download GoLogin app either to your computer or mobile phone. After downloading the app and required setup login to your account, once logged in, your dashboard will look like this. Now let's go to make some setup so as to start creating an unlimited Gmail account. First, click on Buy Proxy to see if your 0.5 GB data plan is activated. You will use that free 0.5 GB to create unlimited email. But pros of this free GB data plan sometimes will not keep you anonymous for 100%. So in order to stay anonymous for 100% here, you need to pay for residential or mobile proxy, which cost only $3 per GB. But first, try with a free GB data plan proxy before paying for proxies. Now go to top right, click on Add Profile. First, give a profile name like Email 1, then go to Proxy. Then click on GoLogin Proxy, then choose Mobile or Residential Proxy if you pay for it. But if you use free 0.5 GB data proxy, click on Data Center. Here you will find lots of countries, so you will choose any top country you like. I will start with United Kingdom. Test the proxy if it real working, then click on Overview. And here you will find different devices that you may use. For creating unlimited email account, I recommend to choose the same devices as you are using. So here I will select window from there, click on time zone, make sure this times based on IP address is on. This will make you to stay anonymous 100%. Then click on extension. Here you can add any extension you like, but the important one for creating unlimited email accounts is Clear Cache. So search for Clear Cache, then download this extension. You will use it soon after finishing to create your first email. You will need to clear cache before creating another email account. On the bookmark, left it. On the web RTC, choose based on IP address on geolocation. Also choose on prompt and make sure based on IP address is on. Other options like advanced and cookies, you can leave it as it is. Finally, click on Create a Profile, and from there you are done. The next step is to click on Run, then Profile. New tab will be open ready for creating unlimited Gmail account. The first step is to check if we are safe. Go to wower.net to check for IP address and anonymization. From wower.net, it shows we are using Windows devices. Proxy no, anonymization no, and we are safe for 100%. You have to make sure everything is no before you start to create email accounts. So here we are ready for performing self-clicking, since everything is okay. The next step is to head over to the search engine and search for a Gmail sign-up. And follow the usual steps to sign up for a Gmail account. So click on Create a Gmail account, where it will direct you to sign in for a Google account. Here you will click again on Create an account, and this account will be created from the United Kingdom and not your country where you are. Then choose for my personal use. Fill your first and last name as usual, then click Next. Fill your date of birth and gender, but make sure the age is above 18 years, then click Next. Here choose how your email you want to look like, or you can customize it and then click Next. Fill your password and confirm it, and lastly click on Next. The next step while you create a Google account is phone number verification. Let's wait what will come. As you can see here, it need recovery email instead of phone number verification, so we have skipped that step automatically. Here just click on Skip. Then follow other simple steps so as to finalize the account creation process. The main important part is on phone number verification, which has been skipped automatically. So agree to all terms and conditions so as to successful login to your Gmail account. And as I said, the origin of this email is from United Kingdom, so any CPA marketing offer, which will need email from United Kingdom, then will pay you once you submit this email address. As I said, I will show you how to earn with this email at the end of this video. After hitting the final step of login to your Gmail account, I have completely created the first email address which originated from the United Kingdom without phone number verification. So the next step is to create another email address. I will use the same profile to create another email address. Now follow these steps. Click on Gmail account icon, then click on Add another account. And from there, you will be directed again to the starting page of creating new Google. So I will repeat the same process of creating another account. I will start to fill another first and last name, date, month and year. Choose my email address that I would like to use, creating a password and confirming it. You can even use the same password for all emails. Then I will be directed to a recovery email page instead of phone number verification. So here I will go and copy the previously created email and use it as a recovery email. So this is the second time I am creating another email account without phone number verification. As I promised, this method works 100%. You can create tons of email addresses with these simple steps. So I will complete the final steps as usual by agreeing to terms and conditions and confirming the required steps. Finally, they will return me back to Gmail and let me confirm if my email is added. As you can see here, I have two email addresses, the previous one and the new one. You can use the new one as the recovery email of the first created email so as to keep your account active. And make sure you add a recovery email for every created email. This will keep your all created accounts active forever without requiring phone number verification. And from there, you will follow the same process of creating another email account by clicking on Add another account until they will need phone verification. Once they need it, from there, you will need to change the profile, so back to go login and create another profile and start to repeat the same process. If you will use a free proxy, you may only create one email per profile. Since free proxies are not strong, if you will pay for it, you will be able to create up to 10 emails per profile. And with one country, you may get more than 30 IP addresses. And when you manipulate by changing devices from Windows to Mac or Android, you can see with a single country, you can create tons of email addresses. So with more than 30 countries proxies which are available in Go Login, you will be able to create unlimited email accounts. Incredible, right? And I am giving it to you for free. Can you show some appreciation by liking and subscribing to my channel so as to empower me to create more nice content like this? Thank you for your appreciation. But note that don't forget to store your registered email somewhere, or you have to make sure you log into each email account you created to your mobile phone or normal browser. This is the best way of storing all email accounts that you created. So this was a short demonstration about how to create an unlimited email address with Go Login. For any question, please feel free to ask in the comment below. Now let's move to the last part of this training, which is how to use each single email to earn $2.15. In order to make this video not too long, I attached this training as a separate one. click the video that shows up on the screen or find it in the description below. In that video, I showed live earning proof when I generated $2.15 per email submission. See you there.